welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. I'm Kevin, and today we're going to do some chicken wings. Going to make some football snack food. Going to do some chicken wings. These look like they're the whole wing, so I will cut them up, separate the drummy from the wing, and cut off the little flapper. And I'm going to do it on my ROTO-Tisserie. I'm going to get these set up on the ROTO-Tisserie, and then on the ROTO-Tisserie, not only are we going to use that, I'm going to try it out on my Tailgater. I think I figured out a way to use it on my Tailgater, so I'm going for it. What I'm going to do is I took my grates out. I got one of my my cooling racks, or a rack that I used to make jerky. I'm going to use this inside there, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to do that right now. Right after that, we're going to show you how I'll show you a couple of wings how we get that set up. I don't want to bore you loading up that whole Ferris wheel, but hey, anyway, let's get this in, show you how I'm going to set it up, and we'll go from there. Okay, after searching and searching, trying to figure out how to do this, I thought, you know, I could use one of these racks and I could set it in there, but it's about 1/4 inch too long. So taking the racks out, I mean, it just misses with the regular racks in here, fitting in here. So a thin rack like this would work. It'll sit in there, you know, just with this, but not with it kicked up like that. So if you got a rack measured this in distance and just got a baking rack like that and set it there, that would work. But unfortunately, that's not going to work for me today. So, man, I tried all kinds of different stuff. So here's what I come up with. I'm going to turn this way, and I'm going to use a little bolt, some washers, a little wing nut. And I'm going to set that up in here. Let me get the other one ready. Hopefully it doesn't fall through. Okay. Then I'm going to slide this up underneath this little piece right here. Okay, so that's going to make it stable. Let me get the other side on, if I can. Now the reason I'm doing this is just so when I set the ROTO-Tisserie on here, it can't really move. It'll stay right there. Let me just, your grate is on, and you try to get this in here. See, it just won't fit. Just a hair. I mean, you have to really bend it to get it in there, so that's not how you want it to work. But just that extra, you know, 1/4 inch, 3/8 of an inch, that's all I need. Okay, so now my ROTO-Tisserie will fit underneath here, just like that. And it will fit with the lid down, and it does spin. So let me go get this thing loaded up with the chicken. We'll bring it out, make sure it still fits, and we'll go from there. Okay, let's get this chicken wing separated. We're just going to take the whole wing. We're going to separate the drummy from the flat and cut off that little end wing tip. So you just cut the drummy off, get the wing tip, cut it off. I'm going to take this drummy. It's got a little excess fat on there. We'll just cut it off. And there you go, drummy and flat. We'll do the rest. Then we're going to add our world famous Spicy SPG. Get it all coated nice, mix it up. And then I'm going to get these on the skewer. I'm going to put them in the skewer lengthwise because we don't have a lot of room in that Tailgater. And it looks like we're going to be able to get 3 flats and probably 3 drummies on each skewer. So we'll get this loaded up and we will get it out to the Tailgater and get this cook going. Okay, we've got our chicken all loaded up on the ROTO-Tisserie. Just like that. I did them sideways because of the way they're spinning in the Tailgater. I might have done them the other way, but this works. 3 of the drummies fit across, and 3 of the little flats fit across. Okay, I'm going to get the Tailgater cranked up to 350 degrees after it starts. We'll get these on. We'll go from there. We'll be right back. Okay, I've already got some bourbon barbecue pellets in there. I have a little bit left in here. I'm going to top it off, and that's what we're using today. These are awesome pellets. If you find them, give them a try. Let's get this topped off. I got my Tailgater up to 300. It's been there for about 10 minutes. I'm gonna get these guys on here. All right, let's set them in there like this. I'm gonna go to that side a little bit. There is the thermostat little plug here, but it actually clears too, so I'm not too worried about that. I'm also gonna add my drip tray today. And I'm hoping 300 degrees isn't too much. It may only take 30 minutes, but we'll find out. So let's start this up. Let it go. While this is all going, I'm going to go inside and show you our ingredients for our jalapeno honey sauce. Kosher salt, black pepper, tomato sauce, honey, yellow mustard, apple cider vinegar, Worcester sauce, extra virgin olive oil, onion, 2 jalapenos, a red and a green one, they're hot, some butter, a lime, and I don't show the garlic. Okay, we're going to check it after 15 minutes. Let's hope we don't have that burnt chicken incident like we had before. Oh, look at that. Looking good. 50 minutes. They're looking pretty good. To take their temperature and see what they're at. Okay, I've got it in one of the flats. 142. Keep rolling. Okay, so now it's time to put our sauce together. I'm going to use a tablespoon of olive oil. Throw in a tablespoon of butter. I'm going to let that get heated up. Once that's heated up, I'm going to add my jalapenos. A red one and a green one. They are diced up. They will get blended later, but you want to get the onion in there at the same time. We're going to let them all just kind of get a little clear. 4 or 5 minutes. There's the garlic I didn't show you. Anyway, stir it up. I'm going to let this go. Get the onions a little translucent. Like I said, 4 or 5 minutes. Once that's done, now we want to get that chopped up garlic in there. And once that's in there, you're going to want to let it go for about a minute. Let it simmer for about a minute. And then once we get this all simmered up, we're going to add 8 ounces of tomato sauce, about a 1/4 cup of your apple cider vinegar. I'm going to put in the 1/2 cup of honey of your choice. I'm going to squeeze half of the lime. I do put the whole lime, but you don't need to see both limes squeezed in there, right? And then I got a tablespoon of brown sugar, a tablespoon of yellow mustard, and then a tablespoon of Worcester Hoosier sister sauce. And put that in there. Then we're going to let this go. Oh, I'm going to add a little kosher salt, about a 1/2 teaspoon, and about a teaspoon or so of pepper. Then we're going to stir this up. We're going to let it go for about 5 minutes. We're going to just let it simmer. And then once that's done, we'll just move it over and transfer it into my blender. So your chunks, you can leave them a little chunkier, your jalapenos and onion and stuff, but I just like dicing it. I'm going to blend this until it's smooth. Just like this. And then when you take that lid off, oh, I'm telling you, you should smell that. It smells really good. I'm just going to check the consistency. I'm pretty sure this is about where I want it. And that looks good to me. All right, let's get back out to the grill. We're an hour and a half in. Okay, so I just took the temp. The drummies are like 160, the flats are 170. So I'm going to get the flats off. I'm going to let the drums go a little bit longer. And here we go, the drummies are done. We're just going to pour our sauce right on top of all of those wings. And of course, just mix them up. Get them all sauced up nice. And once these are sauced, you know what we're going to do. We're going to take a taste of this. Okay, so like I said, we're going to go ahead and give these a try. Guys are showing up. We're going to watch the game, drink a few beers. I'm going to go ahead and do my taste test. So go inside with them and watch the game. So anyway, here you go. Look at that. Honey jalapeno sauce that I made up. Jalapenos out of the garden. There's still some smaller ones on there. Still quite a few. I'm hoping they grow, but the season's ending real soon. Fall is here. Let's take a taste test. Pretty sure I got it on my face. Anyway, wow. That honey jalapeno sauce is delicious. Sweet on the front end, then the heat kicks in. Really good. I love that kind of sauce. That is a fantastic chicken wing on the ROTO-Tisserie in the Tailgater. Jalapeno honey sauce. Oh my goodness. Alright, well, I'm going to get inside, have a beer. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, leave a comment. And we'll see you on the next video. Alright, see ya.